am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm still a hooligan.
My name is Troy McLean.
I'm Sierra.
And today we're going to be changing an oil filter on a 2008 Hyundai Sonata.
Keep watching. We just lubricated the gasket with some clean oil. Now, we're going to do all clean. Keep that up there. Start twisting. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And alright, oil. Now we're just taking it off. That's all the oil out.
And it will drip all over.
Yep.
Make sure you don't drop it.
This is going to be messy.
Yeah, it will.
There we go. Score! Finally just running out, and that's about as good as we're going to get.
Background music.
Like that. Alright. Okay, we just checked it. Got it running. Alright, now let's check real quick. Always wipe it off and then do it again.
That was fun.
You ever changed oil before?
No, not on my vehicle. I never had to.
Troy's vehicle.
Boom!
Alright, so now we're going to go start the car, make sure, let the oil filter fill up, and then we're going to check the leak. So we started the car, let it run a little bit, and so we let the oil filter fill up. Now we're just going to check it again to make sure everything's in order. Alright, so after we ran it, we checked it again, and it was actually a little low, so we filled it up with the rest of the castrol, and now we're good.
Guys, be respectful to nature and the environment. Recycle this oil, and they will properly dispose of this. Thank you.
Okay, so we just got finished changing the oil, and I just wanted to let you guys know that you should take precautions, like we use the jack stands and everything, so the jack doesn't let the car fall on you or anything.
Had it happen, so scary.
Yes, and yeah, make sure you know what you're doing, so that's why we're making this video. And, you know, consult anybody else if you need to.
And as I said earlier, always recycle your oil.
Yes, always recycle your oil. Never throw it away in their trash cans.
Hope to see you again.
Thank you.